put it out. Go on William Rourke on scene. I'm sorry, who's on scene? William Rourke. William Rourke.
What's up, vigilant viewers? Vigilante here. This is Concord, California, and we are on a call for 242, which is battery. There's pepper spray involved. And here's someone coming code 3, but I'm not sure if they're coming here or not. Oh, it's probably an ambulance coming here, maybe. Yeah. Oh, not coming here.
What I'm asking is, do you want to press charges on me? Okay. Do you have hair? Is that what you're talking about?
Sorry for the shaky camera. I was checking my scanner.
Okay.
Hear anything? I was searching for this other person who pepper sprayed this guy. It's a black female, they're saying.
Okay, well, the medics are coming, okay? Got another officer going to look for it. So, did you dump water on your face? Is that what I see? Okay. Be careful if you dump more water on your face. Like lean over so it doesn't like go down your neck and stuff, or else it's gonna burn. It's gonna spread. So be careful.
That's not bothering us, man.
It's not bothering us. So this happened to you. Get him a case number. No, I'll get home. Okay. Give him a stay with him. Grab it. Good on, sir.
They rob him too, or just spray him?
What's that?
They rob him too, or just spray him?
Oh, no.
It looks like it was just an innocent attack. He said that he was just trying to charge his phone here. So interesting.
Which way do you come in? You coming this way or that way?
I'm so lost in Concord.
Oh, man, say, did you
I
see
came
this?
like,
Ask if you saw the
I came from
suspect.
like that way. Yeah, I'm still learning. It's funny, I grew up in Antioch my whole life. I'm so lost in Concord.
Tucker is out with the possible.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I can stay here with him if you want to go cover.
Okay.
I'll stay with him.
Yeah, let's go cover that.
I'll go over there. It's going to be 1915.
So they got a possible. This person is wanting to connect this to a battery charge with pepper spray. Ma'am, they got some pretty heavy charges they're questioning you about. You shouldn't really talk anymore. Wait for a lawyer. Yeah. Yeah, you have the right to remain silent. Use it. Yeah. What did you say, Tucker? You're the dumbest cop I've ever seen in my life.
Who are you?
She's not under arrest, so she has no.
She's not.
no
What's up, dude? How you doing?
Who are you?
I'm Officer Stringham.
Okay.
Vigilante Antioch.
You just saw him over there.
Oh, I know.
over there.
Okay.
I'm going to talk to her.
So yeah, she's not. We got one side of the statement, but those allegations aren't lining up.
Right.
So that's why we're not questioning
Right.
her to arrest her. It's just
I just like to let people know what their rights are.
Oh yeah.
And when they're talking as much as she is,
Yeah, we're trying to
shut up.
hear about trying to get resources.
And for my viewers a lot too, so they know their rights. Be quiet, especially when facing something like that. You know.
Yeah, I mean her story is making sense. He said he was trying to get his phone charged. So.
This guy though is a clown. I don't know how. Well, I mean, it's on his sleeve how long he's been a cop, and he's only a corporal. That reads volumes right there. But just, yeah, he's such a clown, man. Every time I record him, he makes an ass of himself. You don't be a dick, and you don't get my fucking light in your face. Isn't that better?
Don't care.
You don't care? Well, then you.
Go ahead.
You. You're a piece
care if
of.
you film.
You don't need to be a cop.
Okay.
You don't have the emotional maturity for this job, dude.
Very emotional.
Yeah, you're a fucking child.
I'm cursing at you. I'm yelling at you.
I don't care. Cursing and yelling at you, prick.
You're right. You are.
Okay? Don't block
Shows
my
good
camera.
emotional maturity.
Blocking my camera is a f***ing crime.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's called prior restraint
Go
on
ahead.
a federal level, and on a state level, it's the violation of the Bain Act.
Okay.
Okay? What the f*** do you mean, no, it's not? That's why I wanted to come here, because I heard he was on scene.
You picking it out, man? That's cool.
Yeah. That's what I'm out here for. I'm out here to find guys like that and get them out. Get them off the police force. Yep. We got rid of them all in Antioch. Then I moved to Pittsburgh, got rid of a couple of those. Tucker's on my list.
He's on your list?
Yeah, he's got to go. He's got to either go or get smarter about what he's doing. Because he puts his foot in his mouth every time. She's not arrested, so she doesn't have a right to remain silent. That's stupid.
Everyone has the right to.
That's exactly right. Everybody.
I could have used his charge out last.
And everybody has a right to speak. He likes to tell you to shut up, too. No.
Charge my phone first, and he called me a bitch and he spat at me, so I sprayed him. Raquel.
Raquel, I'm Officer Strickland. So,
Okay.
Raquel, I'm
Raquel, quit talking.
Okay.
because of what happened, he's claiming that he was pepper sprayed by you. You're
Yeah.
saying it was for self-defense.
Yeah.
Raquel, it's easy to talk your way into a jail cell. It's nearly impossible to talk your way out.
On my side,
We're already not going that route.
She's not going to jail, so.
We would have done that.
Shut up, Tucker. You're already on the shit list. You're a clown. That's why. Hey, Tucker, how come you have so many hash marks and you only got one stripe? That says it all, bud. You're an underachiever for a reason. Get smarter. I'd rather see you be a smarter, better cop. I won't say good cop. I think you're beyond that. But you know what's worse? You know what's worse than a tyrant cop like Tucker? Is a cop that does nothing about it. I mean, you guys need to check attitudes like that and tell this guy, what are you doing, man? You know, when you're alone. You don't try to do it out here in front of the camera, but he makes an ass of himself. Go back and look at some of my videos, blocking my camera and stuff. He's a clown. And when you guys let that happen, that makes you a worse cop than him, because you're our only defense against policing like that. Is you guys. You know, we do very little. We expose it, but nothing happens. But you're there every day with them. You should be the one speaking up instead of us having to come out here and speak up. So just keep that in mind.
And the two officers that just left me said that they're going to just note it, write it down, I'm cooperative, and that's that.
And Raquel, anytime the cops come up to you, take that phone out and start recording.
Well, who are you, for one?
I stand up for people's rights out here and make sure they're not getting their rights violated.
But you're being rude to the officer.
No, I'm being helpful to you if you listened. Don't talk.
he's doing his thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's you guys'
He's
sergeant.
totally
No.
allowed to do that.
No, I'm not affiliated in any way.
He's actually pretty popular on YouTube, so he can do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I come out here and inform people what their rights are without you getting yourself in trouble. It's real easy to talk your way into a jail cell. It's nearly impossible to talk your way out of one. Your best defense is to just remain silent, always. And take your phone out and start recording.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, as long as you guys are okay.
No, we're fine. We're
You're here to do your job.
We're contacting both parties just to make sure that the stories match up and that everybody's all right.
Yeah.
So, do you want a copy of the report number?
Yes.
Okay, let me go grab that for you.
Well, at least something good came out of this. You might get a little help, huh? See you around, Tucker. Hey, keep them tennis shoes so white living out here, girl. I can't keep a pair of white shoes for a week. That's some.
Well, I just got them and they're kind
Yeah.
of dirty. I just got put out of my place.
Right.
My program that I was in Oakland.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get into like a shelter out here. I like it out here.
Yeah, you're better out here than out in Oakland, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you are okay.
Oh yeah.
Because you came out of nowhere.
I came from the other stop where the guy got pepper sprayed.
Yeah.
You sauced him, huh?
Yeah. I kind of feel bad. but-
We shouldn't even be saying this in front of them.
Yeah.
They're recording
So,
too.
report number. So, listen, I'm Officer Stringer. My badge number's on there. I'm going to be documenting the report. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have Core's information?
Yeah.
Contacted Core?
Yeah.
Because they're the ones that'll help you get into a shelter and everything.
Yeah,
so
and they don't have one. I have an availability right now. They said they were going to harm me when they did.
your phone's working though, and
Yeah,
so you
my
can
phone's
call and
on.
everything. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Cool. We're gonna
Thank
get
you,
out
I
of here.
really
Is there anything else we can do for you?
No.
So again, I'm documenting the report. I'm documenting your statement, his statement, and then kind of go from there. Okay. You guys
Yeah.
are both claiming the same thing.
Yeah.
So, all right. Any questions for me?
No, thank you. Can I have my pepper spray back?
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
yours.
that's
Yeah.
who left it there. I'm
You can
sorry.
just leave it there or grab it once we leave. It's yours.
Yeah.
So no,
Okay.
we're not taking it.
Yeah. Well, I really appreciate you.
Yeah, you're good. Take care. Okay.
Okay, you guys too. Thank you.
All right, Raquel, right?
Yeah.
You have a good night,
You
man.
too. Thank you.
Hey guys, what's Tucker's radio call sign?
What's that?
What's Tucker's radio call sign?
You can
I know what it
can
is.
listen.
I just wanted to see if you'd give it up. You guys have a good night.
You too, buddy.
Buckle up now.
We'll do,
You
buddy.
guys don't like to wear your seatbelts, man.
We don't?
No,
Okay.
I like them seatbelts on.
Yeah.
We don't want to pay for your nurse for the rest of our lives. Vigilante.